The graph of y equals f of x consisting of 4 line segments and a semicircle is shown for x is greater than or equal to -3 and less than or equal to 3. Which of the following is the transform graph of y equals f of x plus 1 minus 2? So this graph here is y equals f of x, and we need to find out which one of these is the graph of y equals f of x plus 1 minus 2. So we see two transformations here. First is we're adding 1 to the input of the function. So when we add 1 to the x value, that's the equivalent of shifting the graph 1 unit to the left. That's because if we add 1 unit to every input, say we have this point here on the graph, 1, -1, when the value of x is 1, the value of y is -1. But if we add 1 to x, the value becomes 2. And we see on the graph that when x is 2, when the input of f of x is 2, the value of y is -2. But our x value was 1. So that means this point would actually happen over here in the graph of y equals f of x plus 1. And that applies to every other point. So adding 1 to the input of a function moves the graph 1 unit to the left. If we subtracted 1 unit, it would move the graph 1 unit to the right instead. Then we also see that we're subtracting 2 after evaluating f of x. So this is subtracting 2 from the output, or the y value. So that has the effect of moving the graph down 2 units. So we need to see which one of these graphs has shifted f of x by 1 unit to the left and 2 units down. So let's look at a reference point. So let's look at point 0, 1. So point 0.01 is the tip of this triangle here, and we need to see that it shifted down 1 unit and 2 units to the left. So looking at A, we see that 0, 1 was originally here, but now it's been shifted down 2 units and 1 to the left, so that's good. In graph B, we see that the tip of the triangle here has been shifted down 1, 2 units, but shifted to the right 1 unit, so that means B is incorrect. Answer choice C, we see the point has been moved down 1 unit and then 2 to the left. That's incorrect. We needed to go down 2 units and then 1 to the left. And answer choice D, we see that it's been moved down 1 unit and then moved to the right 2 units. That's also incorrect. The only one that got that point right was answer choice A, so then it has to be correct.